All right, so today I'm going to tie a regular fisherman's knot. This is going to be mainly for beginners, um, anybody that's trying to learn, get into fishing. This is going to be a great knot for you to tie. It's pretty simple and you can do it pretty quickly once you learn it. All right, so first, what I like to do is take my hook. Let's imagine this is my hook. Then I grab my main line, which is my line that's on my rod, and string the main line through the front of the eye of the hook. So if you got your hook, let me explain where that's at. Um, so the front of the eye is going to be on the side that the hook point is on. So this is going to be the front. So normally I would throw the line through that way into the front of the eye. Okay. So let's just imagine that that's our hook. This carabiner is our hook. And we're going to put our main line into the hook, string it through, give yourself some slack. Then we're going to wrap our slack around our main line about 4 to 5 times. And then we'll take that slack end and put that through the little loop that you made with the twists where your finger's going to be at. And once you go through that loop, so you should have a loop like this, just like that. And normally you can just tighten it down just like this, but that's just going to be a clinch knot. So what we're going to do is we're going to improve the knot by adding that tag end back through the twists, just like this. Right? And then you pull down, and boom. That's it. Of course, if you're going to be doing this with your fishing line, before you cinch all the way down, you're going to want to lube it up, water, spit, whatever, how you spit.